Hey everyone, thanks for showing interest in our watch ad. This is Tanuja and I'm gonna show you our whole platform of watch ad. And in this video, we are going to go through all the services and you'll get to know that what are the benefits of setting up your phone number and account with us and how our WH ad can help you to grow your business. So let's move forward. After creating your account with us, you'll land here on this page. You can see our dashboard. You will get to see different statistics like total contacts, total groups, campaigns, templates, what replies, team member, like your message processed. And at your right side, you can see language section and notification section. Here is your profile. As we click, you can see your profile, your details, and this is password section. You can change anytime. As you get to know the dashboard and our open stats, let's move to QR code, which is here. And by this, anyone can contact you easily by just scanning it, and he or she can use this URL or this number link, as you can put it in any of your social media account or your website. It will get easy for you as well as for your client. Now, this is your WhatsApp chat. In this section, you can do live chat with your team members or your client individually. These are your contacts. You can see, and here are the contact details in which you can add tags or labels. Like here, you can add notes for any particular client or contact, and by this show button, you can manage your scene by enabling it. This is all for WhatsApp chat. Now let's move forward. Team members. Here we come to this section in which you can add any of your team member by add new user. As we click here, after filling this format, these are basic details: email, password, and allow permissions. You have to submit here, and after that the team member will be shown here, and you can edit user details or allow permission. You can log in with their account here. Now let's move to template section, in which you can create message templates. They used as email templates in email marketing, as maybe you have heard about it, where you can shoot the template on email in bulk. And the basic difference in between WhatsApp message template and email template is whenever you create a message template, you have to send this to Meta WhatsApp for their approval, and only after their approval you can schedule the campaign or broadcast. So as you can see the templates we have created here, let's create a new. As we click here, you can see at first you have to input any template name. Let's temp. This is our template name. You can change language here. And choose whether you are using marketing or utility template. As in marketing, there will be promotional message which you will send to bunch of people like 1,000 or lakh, and in utility you will send to limited audience with whom you are connected by any order, payment, or any transaction. And by this header, this will show to your message. On top of that, you can add text, image, video, document, location, any media. Now let's come to body. Here is your body message. You can add like hey, and you can add your variable. By this you can add any default name or number to any particular contact. As we add a variable, here is a sample text which you have to fill. It's just an example for a variable, but this is mandatory. As welcome to Sabnode. Like you can put any message here, and this is your sample text. This is footer, and which is optional, and you can add any, like thank you. And these are button section: quick reply button, phone number button, copy code button, URL button, dynamic URL button. You can add any 3 buttons at a time, as we add quick reply button and a phone number button. As you can see, you have to put your country code, and at your right side you can see the template preview. Now you have to submit here. Now click here to sync WhatsApp template and refresh. As you can see, it's approved. This is all for temp section. By this, you can approve a template and then create a campaign right here. And you can see preview and edit anytime, and you can delete it anytime. Now let's move to contact section. There are 3 sections. First is list. As you can see, all the contacts here you have added. To any particular contact details, you click to plus, and here are the details, and you can edit this contact and send any template personally, and you can chat with this contact, and you can delete this contact anytime. By this section, you can take bulk actions, like you can select all and select particular contacts, and then you can delete those contacts in bulk, and you can assign groups to those contacts. And from here you can create new contact by filling these details, and you can assign a group to those contact. As you can see, this button, opt out marketing message. By this button you can restrict marketing message to this contact, and these are custom fields which will add in your Excel sheet by other informations. By after submitting, the contact will be shown here. As we click on export contact, you can see export Excel file with data and export blank templates. Like if you have to add your contacts, then you have to download this file. As we click here, as you can see, this format of Excel sheet, the mobile number and groups are the mandatory details, and you can add any of the details here. Now let's click to import contact. From here you have to select any Excel sheet. As we click here, open. As you can see, it's uploaded. Process import. Now by this you can add the contacts here, and you can add a group also. Let's move to group section. As we click here, bulk actions is same as the list section. These are the groups we have created. You can add new group here, title and description, then submit. You can see group contacts here, and you can add any new contact by adding the details here. And you can export contact and import contact like list sections. This is all for group section. Let's move to custom fields. These are the extra information we can add on Excel sheet, like discount or any extra offer. You can edit it and delete anytime. By here, you can add new custom field. Now let's move to campaign section. This is our broadcasting section. Here are the campaigns we have executed before. Let's create a new campaign. Let's take the first step. We have to choose a template. As we have created a template in our template section. This is our template we have created. Now we have to add the variable, add first name. This is your campaign title. We can take any name. Let's take Ram. You have to assign a group for your contacts. And by this you can restrict by language code, like send only to the contacts whose language code matches with template language code. And from here you can schedule the campaign to any particular time zone and any date and time, and you can schedule it now. Right now we are scheduling it now. You can see the number, and this is a message preview. As we click on schedule campaign, test message success, you can see, and campaign created. You can see our campaign is executed. Now as we refresh it, you can see total contacts, delivery rate, reading rate and failed rate. As we click here on executed contacts, as you can see, one message is sent and one is failed. The failed message will not be charged. Like this, you can create a campaign